Jacob.
Hey Jacob, come visit us. We have a lot of demo boards here for you to skate, okay? And like helmets, if you don't have helmets or pads or whatever, we'll give you some.
Brilliant, there you go. Okay, we're in a skateboard shop, Jacob, and there's the helmets. There, I guess, are the thingy with the wheels on. There's the shoes. There's some of the boards. And there are the wheels. Any wheel you want, any color you want. We've got long boards, I guess short boards, every kind of board. There's ones there, there's ones here. Now look at this, Jacob, how is skateboard heaven, huh? More boards, got all the clothes you need, and you're going to need some hats, loads of hats, and your favorite GoPro, whatever you need for GoProing, skateboarding. Okay, we're going to leave the final word to the man at the shop.
Hey,
okay.
your dad's a good man.